Welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. This is Miss Irene. We are making a memorable family tree. This craft is a great family project. Be creative and have fun. For this project, you will need brown paper bags or construction paper as canvas, glue, pencil or marker, and scissors. Now, let's begin. First, prepare the paper canvas from the brown grocery bag. Then, use a marker or pencil to draw a tree trunk and branches for your family tree. Cut out leaves from the old magazines and glue them on the tree. Next step, write down your family's name on the leaves. You can either draw your family's faces or cut out faces from the family's photo with your parents' permission. Remember to include your pets too. Now Miss Irene is going to show you two other cool ideas. This is Mom and Dad and me. I love Mom and Dad. And my family under the roof. It's me, my mom, my dad, and my Romeo. I love my family. Thank you for joining Craft Time at Houston Public Library. You can share your family tree online and tag us using I love HPL. See you next time. Bye-bye.